Don't! Take it out!
Stop.
Oh shit! I can't! I don't know what to do! I think the towel is stuck.
What?
I think the towel. Down, down, look down. Towel. I think it's stuck. I think it's stuck.
I make the door stuck?
I don't know. Oh my god. Alright, try now. No, no, no! Don't do that, you're gonna make it worse. I think you locked yourself out.
I didn't.
No, I didn't. You had the keys. Stupid. Oh crap.
Is it open? It's open?
I don't know.
Stuck?
What?
It's open?
I think so.
But it's just stuck.
I don't know.
It's stuck.
I don't know.
It's stuck?
It's stuck.
Pull the towel!
I can't.
Pull it!
Why did you pull it? Why did you pull it?
To get unstuck!
But like more than half the towel is on my side.
So pull it!
So why did you pull it from your side?
There's more on your side!
So you're gonna pull the whole towel.
I'm going to break it!
I can't pull it.
Put the camera down.
No. It's funnier this way. Wait, so the key is on the other side, right? Can you turn it?
No.
You can't take it out? You can't do anything. Okay.
Alright, you push, I'll pull.
Okay.
2, 3.
Wait, which way are you turning? Okay, my right. Okay. Ready? No! Fuck! I think something's stuck. I think you locked it. See? Oh shit.
I have an idea.
What?
Go downstairs. Get the ladder.